Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream roll cake. First, let's create the perfect sponge cake base. You'll need to whisk 4 large eggs with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is pale and thick, forming ribbons. Then, carefully fold in 100 grams of all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt. Spread this batter thinly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, roughly 10 by 15 inches, and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until it's lightly golden and springs back when touched. Next, we'll prepare the luscious cream filling that makes this dessert so delightful. In a chilled bowl, combine 2 cups of very cold heavy cream with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Whip these ingredients together using an electric mixer on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, aromatic touch. Remember, keeping your cream and bowl cold is key to achieving a stable, fluffy filling. Be careful not to overwhip, or it might become grainy. Now for the exciting part, assembling your cream roll cake. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, invert it onto a clean, sugared tea towel. Gently peel off the parchment paper. While it's still warm, carefully roll the cake up tightly with the towel from the short end. Let it cool completely in this rolled shape. Once cooled, unroll the cake, spread your prepared cream filling evenly over the surface, leaving a small border. Then, re-roll it tightly without the towel. The final steps ensure your cream roll cake is perfect for serving. Once rolled, wrap the entire cake tightly in plastic wrap. This helps it hold its shape and keeps the cream fresh. Place the wrapped cake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. Chilling allows the cake and cream to set beautifully, making it much easier to slice. Before serving, dust the top generously with powdered sugar for an elegant finish. Slice with a sharp knife and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.